Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to Kafycrypto YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to buy and sell crypto on Binance, right? A lot of people have been carried away with other stuff that you can do on Binance, forgetting that there are some newbies out there looking actually for how they can actually use this Binance that everybody is talking about. That is what I'm going to be showing you today practically on this video tutorial. So let's jump in right into it. But before then, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people will get to watch this video and also learn from it. So this is a 2023 guide actually on how you can trade and buy and sell on the Binance platform, right? So let's get started. So if you're visiting the Binance app for the first time, you need to first of all have some money in your Binance account before you start trading on it, right? You need to have some funds on your Binance account, which is this wallet section, before you start trading on Binance, right? So you need to buy and deposit. You can use P2P. If you are new on Binance, you can register your account, verify it, use the P2P platform to actually buy crypto, right? So use it to actually buy crypto or sell, depending. So that is it. You just have to click on buy, select the amount of money that you want, and also just place your buy order, pay the person, and once the person receives it, your coin will be released to you, right? So once the person releases your coin to you, you transfer it to your spot trading account and you get started, which is what I'm going to be showing you here right now. So we are going to be using Doge for example, right? So you click on the coin, depending. Let's say that you actually need to Binance and someone told you to buy a coin and the coin is not on hot or favorite. All you just have to do is to go to the market section. You can actually go to the trade section, or you go to the market section. So you go to the market section, click on sports, depending if it's sports, if it's futures, depending on you. So let's say we click on sports and we choose the trading pair that we want to use. It can be BUSD, BNB, USDT, and other stuff, but then I'm going to be using the BUSD. So let's search for the coin, and let's say that the coin is Doge in our case right now. I'm going to come to the search bar here, click on it, then type in the coin I want to trade, which is Doge. When you search for Doge, it's going to bring out a lot of trading pairs. Now this is the coin, you are trading this coin against this pair. What it means is that, okay, you want to buy right now, you already have USDT and you want to use your USDT to buy Doge. So you already have BUSDT and you want to use your BUSDT to buy Doge. So in my own case, I have BUSDT and I want to use my BUSD to buy Doge. So I'm going to click on this, right? I'm going to click on this, right? When I click on it, I think I'm on the futures. Okay, yeah, so this is it. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to the sports place, which is the trade section, where you are going to either put the price. For instance, here we have different options. We have the limit, we have the market stop limit, trailing stop, and we have the order cancel order. So the major ones you are going to be needing as a not so frequent trader is the limit and the market price. So let's take for instance that you want to buy crypto right now, and maybe the market is going up with speed, or you want to sell and the market is going down with speed, and probably by the time you are setting, let's say you are using limit, by the time you are setting to sell your, let's say you have $50, by the time you are setting your order to sell your 50, let me see, okay, you can see that I don't have any Doge right now. So by the time you are setting your order to buy 50 Doge at 0.08, the price is going up, and before you know what is happening, is getting to 0.9. Now what do you do in this case? You just put it on the market price. Once you put it on the market price, the only thing you need to do is to put the amount of Doge that you want. Once you put the amount of Doge that you want to buy, you click on buy immediately, and it's going to buy it straight up. The same thing with selling, right? So you come here, you put when it is on market price, it's going to automatically buy the coin for you at the market price, which is any price at all that the market is at. It's going to buy it for you at that. Let's say you are selling, also you have 50 Doge and price is massively dropping and you want to sell off your market so that it won't dip on you. You just put it here, click on sell Doge and click on sell, and everything will be automatically sold. It is not waiting for it to get to a particular price or to get to a particular spot before it sells. So now a different thing applies to the limit section. The limit section is this. What this means is that you have the opportunity to set the price at your own ideal price. Let's take for instance that Dogecoin is at 0.08 and you want to buy it when it gets to 0.07. You are not in a hurry and probably you've done your technical analysis. Remember, there are two ways you can day trade. You can be an investor whereby you just get to buy a coin and keep it for either long term or short term, depending. So what I'm actually teaching you, which we did not talk about fundamental analysis, is because I am not teaching you how to read chart. I am not teaching you how to enter a trade. I'm just teaching you how you can buy and sell, how you can trade, how you can buy and sell on Binance, right, as a newbie. So that is it. So let's get back to our Doge, which is BUSD. So remember, we're talking about limit, that you want to buy your own at 0.7, and currently the market is at let's say the market is at 0.08 and I want to buy at 0.07. So let me say I put 500 Doge. When I put it on 500 Doge, what this means actually is that this my order now is going to, you can see some of my orders, some of my open orders, right? It's going to be here. It's going to be okay. I'm going to actually click on this to actually show you what I'm talking about. So when you click on it, it's going to automatically enter here where it shows you that you've set this order to you've set this order that whenever this coin goes down to 0.07, that it should buy it for you. That is what this limit order is about. It's the same thing also applies to futures, right? When you are trying to set a buy order on futures, but that is not what we are here for. We are talking about sports now, right? How you can buy and sell on sports. So that is it. Now we'll cancel this. The same thing applies to when you want to sell. You come here, let's say the price is currently at 0.08 and you want to sell your own when the price gets to 0.1. So you put the amount of Doge that you want to sell, right? You put the amount of Doge that you want to sell. So what it means is that whenever this coin goes up, it can be next year, whenever it is, it's going to get there, right? It's going to get, you can see, if you even check where it's that some of these orders are forgotten, actually placed them since last year. That is 2021 and we're already in December 2022 and they have not peaked, meaning that I can leave it there for the next 3 years, and as long as Binance is still functional, it's still going to be there, right? Yeah, so that is that about buying and selling. And once you buy it and you check your wallet, you're going to see it on the wallet section, right? So that is it. On a different video, I'm also going to show you how you can buy and sell on the Binance futures trading section, but this particular video is just to show you how you can buy and sell on the sports market. I hope you got value from this video. Yes, I know you did. So share this video to your friends. Let your friends actually learn how they can buy and trade on the Binance platform. Thank you very much for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.